first half, we're very honored to welcome Ms. Leah Kang, the director of Inspire Music Academy. So Leah has an extensive background in classical music, originally studied for 10 years at the Sichuan Conservatory of Music before earning her master's degree in piano performance from the University of Missouri. So she'll be premiering a brand new piece called Raindrops, which combines sensitive melody with both traditional and non-traditional harmonic devices to create a warm color palette overall. So let's give Leah a warm welcome to the stage.